Zimbabwe man stole funeral and tried to have sex with woman's corpse in front of family members. Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. God bless you guys. Thank you for coming back again and again. To my new subscriber, you are highly welcome. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe and be part of this great family. Like, share and comment, and also share with your friends. Well, my people, I don't say come back again with another gist, with another story. This one happened for inside Zimbabwe, Africa country. Now this matter for happen, my people. This man one of the six, so the man dey 49 years old. The man then be Cipriano. Now be the man name. Well, this man, what did this man do, my people? Things dey happen for Africa country, my people. If I say things dey happen, different things wey dey happen for inside that Africa country. You yourself, you go even say, why I be say all those things dey already happen for there, my people. If you ask me na who I come ask, because me I no know why all those things just dey happen for inside Africa. This man wey dey 49 years old, my people, story dey inside matter. Where this man, the man dey 49 years old, he can't get one lady wey this man love. That was 20 years ago, my people. As the man love the lady 20 years ago, the man no fit approach the lady come marry. As the lady even marry, this man no even approach and say he love the lady or whatever. The woman name, my people, na be Melissa, na be the woman name. This year na the woman come kpema, the woman come get RIP. As the woman get RIP now, my people, the day of the funeral where they will bury the woman, you know, say if they want do burial like that, they will first do lying state, or where they will put the woman. As this man, this man wey dey 49 years old, my people, now he go the burial. As he reach the burial now, everybody dey there. Yes, say Melissa don't die. Now this man just enter where they put this woman, this Melissa, so lie in state before they will put the woman for ground. Now this man just go there. As he enter there, the companion of this woman wey die, so Melissa, he can't dey there. As he dey there now, this man wey be Zipa, wey dey 49 years old, now he just remove his husband for them. He just go where they put the woman that lie on stay. Now this man just climb the woman, the person wey don die, my people. He just start to dey kerewa the person, and other people dey outside. In front of the family member, my people. Now this man start to dey kerewa that woman wey die, because the man come say because he love the woman 20 years ago. Say he don fair approach the woman no gree. Because of that one, the woman no just fit go like that without e no fulfill in destiny. My people, when I say things dey this life, things dey that Africa. The kind many things wey dey come out for that Africa, you yourself go even say, show why I be say all those things all the time. Africa, my people, na the same question I still dey ask. The kind matter wey dey happen for inside that Africa, since why I dey this Western world, I never hear all those kind things. Many things just dey come out for different corner. Now this man come say he love Melissa, because now Melissa is supposed to marry. Melissa go marry another person now, because he no fit stay. As well as he hear say Melissa die, to fulfill his own destiny, his own desire, my people, the kind stupid desire wey he get, and to make love to Melissa, because he talk and say if he dey alive, he must surely make love to Melissa. As he call here say Melissa die now he just go where they put Melissa lie in stay. The man just go there, go kelewa the man, go kelewa the woman. Sorry guys, go kelewa the Melissa. before he enter there, people don already dey outside dey mom the Melissa. Now you see your husband for they can't even dey block am. My people, me I no even know how the man take do am. The video they even show the video, just that I no fit upload this video for here because of YouTube policy, my people. If not, I for say me I upload the video make una see. I no even know how they take even video demand that kind thing. I know because that kind thing no be good thing to start with, wey they go even video, no talk of to even put that kind thing for public, make people see. They supposed to respect the death of that woman. They supposed to respect that woman death. As the woman don't die, I don't say she no fit defend herself, but at least they supposed to respect the woman. And the man take down, my people, wey he push the man for him husband, because him husband dey domot the road, because as the man just come, this man wey dey 49 years old, as he hear say Melissa die, now he just go straight to the house. As he reach there now, he come tell people say he wan see Melissa. Now they come say he no fit see Melissa. Say Melissa don kpema, na the family na him dey there. Now the man just enter. I don't know how he take enter, whether now juju he use for mouth to my people. Now they God come know. Now he just enter the place where they put this Melissa. The man he just push am. He push his husband, Melissa companion, sorry. He companion of the Melissa, he just push am comot for the mud. Now the man enter the Kelewara. I believe say maybe na people wey cameraman wey they take or whatever. I sure say na him bring that video come out for public for people to see, because for that kind thing, my people, is so disgusting. How can the man say the man don't commit that evil thing, for them to even public that video out for social media, make everybody see? For me, then not be good thing, my people, because the dead, they're supposed to respect the dead, because like that woman now, the woman don't die, she don't die. Not be that kind thing where they go even bring come and make people see. As I told before, for say me I put the video for here, just that I know fit because of the law, the rules and regulation wey dey YT, where I go just screenshot everything of it, make una see wetin I dey talk about. My people, this one is so disgusting. The woman supposed to go rest in peace. They don't allow this woman go rest in peace. The stupid man wey saying they loved Melissa for so many 20 years ago, that one can't even commit in your abomination. You know even respect that woman, because the woman don't die. Say because he wants satisfy in your own desire. I don't know the kind of desire where he say he wants satisfy. Person wey don't person wey don't go. The man no respect her. As the woman, my God, some people my people, some people, they are so wicked. The kind art where they get, me I no even know where they for even see that kind art. Person wey don't die, the person they lie instead. My people, they say in my parable, ekia wuwe na fe ko wo malagbe. Cassava ne pekus wey they suffer do, where the person suffer do, e no enter, but not be the one way the woman don't even go take the woman don't kpema. The woman died. That was December period, my people. They come bury this woman this year, January, where would they so? My God. Some people whether na cause now they cause them, or they get one kind thing where they into, or I not just know person where don't go. Then you say you want go satisfy your desire. It's so pathetic, my people. Things where they happen for that Africa, my people. I dey ask myself why be all those things they happen for Africa. I be it get waiting the soap for the land where they germinate all this evil all the time. I no just know. You'll see different things where just they happen for South Africa. Since why I did this Western world, I never hear that kind of thing before, my people. Say person will go Kelewa, person we don't get RIP, my people. I never hear since why I did this Western world. Many things where they come out for that Africa now, only gods na only God will fit deliver the land of Africa, because things dey happen dey different corner all the time. Africa this, Africa that, my people. It's too much. Well, guys, let me leave you guys. What do you think about this video? Leave your comment in the comment section down below. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.